Subscribe to my channel and click the bell notification button so that you never miss an update. Hello guys, welcome to my channel Glamorous Foodie. So today I'm going to share with you this beautiful scenery nail art tutorial. It's so easy and super fun. So let's get straight into the video. I have applied simple white base on all my nails and now I'm showing different colors that I'm going to use in this video. So there was white, this is pink, some orange, some dark blue. So I'm going to use these colors to make my base. So firstly, here I have taken some baby pink color. Basically I have mixed pink and white. I will be making an ombre sky of pink, orange and blue. So I am applying baby pink on top of each my nail. Now I am applying light blue and I will make ombre effect afterwards. Now after applying light blue, I will now take mixture of pink and light blue and just apply this in between to give it a ombre effect. Now I have mixed orange and white to make it a undertone orange or a orangish yellow shade. And now I am going to apply this on bottom of my each nail. And now similarly I will repeat the whole process for my thumb. So as you can see, our base is done. Now I will start making a design. Firstly I will be making tree using this brown color. Now I will use this sap green color and this dark green color to make the leaves. Now I will make second color leaves by using sap green color. Now I will be using this maroon color to make flowers. So I have mixed maroon and white and now I will make flowers from this. Now I will use some white to highlight our flowers. So we will highlight all our flowers like this by applying white only in the center of each flower. So after completing our flowers, now I will use this black color to make a bird on my middle finger. Firstly, I will draw black base for the bird. Now I will use some white to highlight its features. Now with the similar process, we will make a tree on the thumb. Our nail art is done now. Now we will secure this using a top coat. So our nail art is finally done. If you liked my video, then please subscribe to my channel, like my video and share this with all your friends and family. And also don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Link is in the description box below. Thanks for watching. Bye.